Hey, I'm a walking girl. Today, I'm gonna tell you about the Hotel H10 Las Palmeras. This hotel is located in the south of Tenerife in the Playa de las Americas. I'll show you the hotel, and after that I'll walk you down the road to the beach. Let's go! Just look at those ceramic tiles in the hallway. That's amazing! Located in the heart of Playa de las Americas and with direct access to the seafront promenade, the H10 Las Palmeras is surrounded by spacious subtropical gardens. The hotel offers 2 swimming pools, one heated in winter, an outdoor car park, and a variety of amenities to make your stay as pleasant as possible. The staff at the pool offer you fresh towels every day for free. Rooms at Hotel Las Palmeras Tenerife are spacious and bright. Each room has a balcony and air conditioning. The minibar and safe can be hired. No kettle or ironing board in the room we stayed in. Breakfast and dinner are served in the Garo restaurant, while Spiccio Magico offers a la carte Italian dishes. There is also a barbecue restaurant, La Choza, as well as La Ballina, which is set by the beach. Guests can enjoy a drink in one of the 3 bars on site, or relax on the terrace. You can find a small grocery store right outside the hotel, but the prices are above average. The hotel is located on a street called the Golden Mile. There are a lot of restaurants and boutiques. Several bars and stores with beach amenities are located near the hotel. Now let's take a walk to the nearest beach. It's called Playa de las Americas. It's a favorite place for surfers and local youths. I like this beach, but it is uncomfortable to swim here. There are always waves in the ocean, and the entrance to the water has sharp stones. On the beach, they offer to rent an umbrella and a sun lounger for €5. Let me show you the best beach near the hotel. It's called Playa el Camison. The road to the beach takes only 10 minutes along the Golden Mile. The Los Angeles bar is probably my favorite of all the bars in Playa. The food is good and the groups they have are very good and all play upbeat music that sets the whole place alight. If you get the chance, go there. Dial Pre is a grocery store. Big and clean store with good price. Also, there is a cozy coffee shop in the front which I walked here for a hot cappuccino every morning. The distance between the H10 Las Palmeras Hotel and Camison Beach is 1 kilometer. The walking time will be about 13 minutes. I can't recommend the Michelle Supermarket. They are overpriced. We passed the next hotel in the H10 family. It's called H10 Conquistador. The hotel is only a 7-minute walk to the beach. Room rates start at €190 with breakfast. And we continue our tour along the Golden Mile. Check out the underground malls near the Parque Santiago Hotel. Buy beach towels or bathing suits. Granvia Supermarket is a perfectly located grocery store with all the basic amenities. Lovely local supermarket with everything you need. Excellent opening hours too. Got served at almost midnight on a Sunday. A bit pricey, but what do you expect for a place right in the heart of where all the hotels are, and to be open at midnight on a Sunday? El Faro restaurant is one of the best seafood restaurants in Las Americas. Good for a fancy meal with your other half. But it has a rating of just 4 stars on Google Maps. On the right you see the Cleopatra Palace Hotel. Room rates start at €120 per night with breakfast included. And we approach the Pyramides de Arona Concert Hall. In the pyramid you will find the Hardrock Café. I love this place. From the outside it looks like a massive old Greek building and is very amazing. As known from Hard Rock cafes, the food and beverage is very good, although the prices are a little high. I wouldn't recommend coming here for a quick bite, but I would for a full meal. A little rock shop for souvenirs is also integrated. We had almost reached the beach. A beautiful wide avenue near the Cleopatra Hotel leads us directly to the ocean. I feel the freshness of a mild breeze from the ocean. On the left side you see the Mare Nostrum Resort Hotel. The hotel is well known for its huge swimming pool. Here we are at Camison Beach. This is the best beach in the Playa de las Americas area. You have already seen several videos of this beach on my channel. Check this out. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to my channel and give me some likes. Bye.